Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini for language learning. Gemini offers a powerful and personalized way to boost your language skills. You can engage in dynamic conversations, receiving immediate feedback on your grammar and pronunciation. It's like having a dedicated tutor available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Gemini can also clarify tricky grammar rules and create custom vocabulary lists, making your learning journey more efficient and enjoyable. Gemini excels at providing interactive practice. Imagine role-playing a restaurant order or a job interview in your target language. Gemini will offer precise corrections and suggest better ways to phrase your thoughts, helping you sound more natural. You can also explore cultural insights, understanding the context behind certain expressions. Furthermore, it can recommend additional learning materials like podcasts or books perfectly suited to your current proficiency level. Beyond conversation, Gemini helps you develop comprehensive language skills. Use it to translate challenging texts, gaining a deeper understanding of nuanced meanings. You can also practice your reading comprehension by asking Gemini to summarize articles or stories in your target language. For writing, submit your compositions for review, receiving constructive feedback. Gemini can even generate custom quizzes and exercises, offering a fun and effective way to test your knowledge and reinforce what you have learned. To get the most out of Gemini, remember a few key tips. Always be specific with your prompts. For example, ask for 5 new verbs related to cooking. Consistent review of new vocabulary and grammar is crucial for retention. Integrate Gemini with other learning tools, such as flashcards or language exchange partners, for a well-rounded approach. Finally, establish clear, achievable learning goals, like mastering 100 new words each week, to effectively track your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.